峠バトル第1ラウンドアベレージレーシングタイムスターです。
One, go!
Well, we're back for another challenge night. We are doing a variation on Touge racing, so we're really excited about that. We're doing 1v1 battles where we get paired up with someone. One person is the lead, and then one person is the chaser. And then after we finish one race, we're going to swap positions, and we will do it again. And basically, the goal is, if you are the leader, you try to increase the gap between you and the person chasing you. And if you are the chaser, your goal is to decrease the gap or pass the person. And if it happens to be tied after each of the matches, then it's going to go to the fastest lap for each person. So yeah, should be interesting. We did this before. We had a crazy course before. It's a little more normal because it was very impromptu. So we didn't have time to create like a crazy course, but that's okay. Still gonna be fun. We got a whole bracket to go through, and we'll see how this goes. I think I won the first one. All right, let's go.
2, 1, go!
All right, so the second part of my first matchup here, now I'm the chaser, so I have to either pass him or decrease the gap. And I think we've already passed him. All right, close one. Let's go. Okay, man, it's been a month since I've been here. It's crazy. I thought I was gonna be like washed. I was happy to say I did put down the fastest time in warm-up, so I'm not completely washed, so that's good. I definitely forget how to do that turn properly. We're gonna have to figure that one out. Let's go! We win the first round! Let's go! Let's go!
峠バトル第2ラウンドアベレージレーシング対抗。
In 3, 2, 1, go!
All right, we're back for round 2. Now stuff is gonna get real. We have a strong competitor behind me in Cody, so this is gonna be interesting. Oh boy, this cart stinks. So I clarified the rules. For our thing, you actually do need to pass. We're not doing the thing where they have to actually just close the gap. So that does change the strategy quite a bit. Oh boy, this cart stinks. Oh my god, dude. This is gonna be difficult. Okay, alright. Boy, it's really bad. It's really bad right now. Okay, I think I am holding him off somehow, though. I am unclear how. Maybe his cart stinks, too. Okay, good. Okay, good. Okay, good. Alright, okay. I have successfully defended my starting position. I will say that. We have successfully defended. Let's go. Okay. Alright. Worst case scenario, we just have to make sure that we have the fastest lap between me and Cody. Alright, we're back for the second part. Now I'm chasing Cody. So, as I mentioned before, I do have to pass him to win the race. Or if it goes to a tiebreaker, I have to have the fastest time to win the match. So, let's see how this goes. Oh, losing a little traction there, bud. Losing a little traction. Ah, boy, it's gonna be tough to pass you, though. my land, you're inside. It's okay, it's okay. No, I wasn't next to you. I wasn't next to you. That wasn't my space. Alright, good race, good race. I feel like I probably have the fastest lap between us based on how that race just went, but I guess we'll see. Hey!
峠の戦い最終ラウンドアベレージレース大ジャンプ
3, 2, 1.
Alright, we're back for the grand final. Me versus Jackson. We'll see how this goes. Could go either way, honestly. Probably gonna depend on the cart, to be honest. Boy, this is gonna be... So we were gonna do a whole loser's bracket and stuff like that, but it is so late that we're just gonna call off the loser's bracket, and this is essentially the winner takes all final. We're just gonna do some like heads up racing after this. So you'll probably see some bonus content from that. Alright, alright. Alright, so I should have this one locked up, I have a feeling. Unless I make a giant mistake. Alright, that's one. That's one. Alright, time to chase.
3, 2, 1.
Alright, we're back for the chasing. I have a feeling this one's probably going to go down to lap time. I would be surprised if I can pass him. Maybe if we both didn't make a mistake, I could have made a move on him. He is going to be very hard to pass, I know that. But if he's driving defensively, that means his lap times are not going to be as good. Yeah, we're driving defensive. I tapped that. Alright, good race, good race, good race.
Stop touching my car.
Yeah, push him back.
Alright, you guys ready? You guys are good in 3, 2, 1, go!
Alright, we're doing a little tiebreaker race. As opposed to just doing the fastest lap, we're doing a little tiebreaker. Side-by-side starting race, but I had the fastest lap. So I got the choice of inside or outside. And it's looking pretty good so far. But who knows? Maybe he's gonna dump me at some point. I don't know. Who knows what'll happen? Oh boy, that turn feels so good. Alright, we took a month off for financial good decisions. We have returned and we have dominated. I have not lost a race tonight. Let's freaking go! Let's go! Let's go!